All right, y'all. So what if I told you that the hours you spend building business case could be reduced to minutes or maybe even seconds? So what I'm going to do is create a C-suite ready business case with just a few clicks that would have probably taken me probably an entire weekend in the past. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's imagine we're doing a deal with OpenAI, complex deal. What I'm going to do here is come to Ask Dante and I'm going to say, hey, help me create an outline for a C-suite business case that is high converting. Let's see what happens here. So we're going to create an outline. Oh, nice. It's going to ask me, what goals would you like to do? 1, win the deal. We'll just be super quick here, and we're trying to do this in 7 minutes. The clock watch is going. Target audience with C-suite, let's say CRO. 3, let's see what features, AI native, and then what actions you want to take. Share internally. Ideally, our champion would be sharing internally, but what we'll actually do here is say that we want them to share internally. We're already with the CRO in this case, so that's totally okay. But let's see what Dante has to say here for OpenAI, and it's going to go ahead and create us a business case for distribute enhancing revenue growth with AI. All right, this looks good. This is a good start. So we'll accept it here. And now, executive summary challenges. So this gave us like a brief outline, exactly what we asked for. So introduction, what we'll probably do here is now say, provide a brief overview. Cool. That was like an outline. So now I'm going to say, now please fill every blank, fill in each section based on what you know about distribute. Boom. All right. So let's give it a sec to think.
That one where, huh?
All right. And so now what you can see is it deleted the old stuff that we had as an outline and actually included some new items, which is super cool. So again, this is all text because we're just starting from scratch with zero context. For what we could do, benefits, implementation plan. What I like to do here is actually use like I'm going to use our task list and I'm going to write like an implementation plan. So we'll say like phase 1, study current workflows, and then we'll probably do subtask 1, maybe like subtask 2, and then we can assign it to the CRO or someone on our team. And then of course, let's add another task list. It's like phase 2, meet with sales ops, task 1, and let's add another task 2. Cool. So now we've done that there. We've created our implementation plan. What we could actually do is remove this because I probably don't need that anymore. Financial impact. Cool. Something that would be useful here in this outline, I think, for financial impact is to do a table. So I'm actually going to open Dante in the financial impact section. Please create a table that shows how we can make reps more efficient and increase win rate. All right. So let's see what it does here. Financial impact. We're going to go ahead and do this. Let's take a look here. Boom. Oh, okay. Sweet. So went ahead and did that. Let me accept that change and let's take a look. Financial impact. Yes. Time spent on content creation, win rate, and pipeline conversion time.
Right.
This is really good. So as you can see, what I'm doing here is actually just going through the outline that it created me and asking the agent to say, hey, give me this in a table or give me this in with a certain mechanism. And so you can actually use Dante in order to create these different sections of your business case, whether it's tables, implementation plans, financial impact, etc. Next thing I'm going to do here is in a business case, I'm going to create a new tab and I'm just going to put pricing because they're going to want to know pricing, right? And so we'll just say this is like our executive, this is our business case here. And then maybe we'll create a new tab that's like our pricing tab. And then here I'll say in the pricing tab, please create me a way of introducing pricing that makes it sound cheap according to the ROI they will receive. Cool. All right. Let's take a look here. Pricing. So the little dot here is showing we're going to go ahead and do that. And now, boom, pricing overview, maximum ROI with distribute. So awesome. I like it, but what I'm going to say is too much text. Make it easier to read and consumable. Let's see what it does here. Because, yeah, I don't want this big block of text here with these benefits. Okay, let's do that. That's better. Okay, so gave us a better idea here, more consumable, easier to read. We could even include our pricing table or anything there. What I might even do is pull in a snippet from Distribute of like a product image or something that we can use on the page along with this pricing, or even in that like business case area that we've created here. That's creating a business case, hopefully within 7 minutes. I didn't have the timer rolling, but hope y'all enjoyed. And if you like this, we are doing free AI sales strategy sessions for organizations. In these, we're going to do a few things for sales team, which is create a custom AI sales workflow assessment, a personalized AI playbook, and an ROI calculator of what it would look like to implement AI in your sales organization and how you can be more productive. If you're a sales leader, an account exec, rev ops, or a sales team, this is for you. You can go ahead. I'll put this link down in the comments below, and you can go ahead and check this out if this is something of interest. Thank you all. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed.